Must be doing something right. There's things I gotta fight for. Never been one to do things by the book. Come on. Say the bleach went to my brain. Say my dreams are so insane. Oh, but I'm just gonna do what Dolly Would. Last time I checked, this is country music, and you meant to put your heart and soul into it. There was a time you could speak your mind in every song. I learned it from the 5 foot nothing. Shoulders I'm standing on. Must be doing something right. There's things I gotta fight for. Never been one to do things by the book. Say the bleach went to my brain. Say my dreams are so insane. Oh, but I'm just gonna do what Dolly Would. They say it ain't who you are, but who you know. You won't make it if you're more than 24 years old. Standing out is gonna be a lonely road. So I'm following the one that's paving my stones. Must be doing something right. There's things I gotta fight for. Never been one to do things by the book. Say the bleach went to my brain. Say my dreams are so insane. Oh, but I'm just gonna do what Dolly Would. Must be on to something real if I ride what people feel, but it contradicts the way they wanna look. Call me trashy, call me cheap, with my heart out on my sleeve. Oh, but I'm just gonna do what Dolly Would. Lay it, Must be doing something right. There's things I gotta fight for. Never been one to do things by the book. Say the bleach went to my brain. Say my dreams are so insane. Oh, but I'm just gonna do what Dolly Would. Must be on to something real if I ride what people feel, but it contradicts the way they gotta look. Call me trashy, call me cheap, with my heart out on my sleeve. Oh, but I'm just gonna do what Dolly Would. Call me trashy, call me cheap, that's a compliment to me. Oh, but I'm just gonna do what Dolly Would. Oh, I'm just gonna do what Dolly Would.
Let's learn Dolly Would. It's choreographed by Willie Brown. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and do 4 walls of the dance so you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Dolly Would. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot out to the right side and clap our hands. You're now going to step your left foot out to the left side, clap your hands. We're now going to do a right shuffle back, stepping right back, left together, right back. We're now going to step our left foot out to the left side and clap our hands. Step your right foot out to the right side, clap your hands. And then we're going to do a left shuffle forward, stepping left forward, right together, left forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your step clap. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to rock forward on our right foot, recover back onto our left. We're now going to do a half shuffle. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side. Step your left next to your right, and then make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to step forward with your left, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 12 o'clock. And then you're going to shuffle forward with your left, stepping left forward, right together, left forward. So let's try that with some counts. We're rocking with our right. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to do heel digs into the right diagonal. So you're going to take your right heel, you're going to place it into that right diagonal. You're going to bend your knee slightly and then put it back down into that right diagonal. You're now going to cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side and cross your right over your left. We're now going to do 2 heel digs into the left diagonal, taking that left heel, placing it forward, bending your left knee and then putting your heel back down. We're going to cross our left behind our right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock and then step forward with your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your heel dig. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a Charleston step. So you're going to take this right foot, you're going to bring it forward and touch your right toe forward, and then you're going to step back with your right foot. You're now going to touch your left toe back, step forward with your left foot. We're going to kick our right foot low and forward, and then we're going to quickly step out with our right, out with our left, and then we're going to step into the center with our right, and then step our left next to our right, taking weight onto our left foot, and we're going to hold. Now, during this hold, you can do whatever you would think Dolly would do, whether that's a shimmy, it's a fixing your bra, you're doing a whoop, a woo, a yeehaw, whatever you want to do on that hold, that choice is yours. I like to do a little bit of a shoulder shimmy or a hip bump, but you can add whatever you would like into that part. So let's try it with some counts. You're doing your Charleston, weights on your left, touching that right toe forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, hold 8, doing whatever Dolly would do. So now let's talk about some of the extra styling that people may do when they're dancing this. One of the things that they do is on those heel taps, you'll hear them go woo, woo, behind side cross, woo, woo, behind quarter forward, so you can kind of add in some extra noises. And the other thing that people do is on that hold, they add some extra in. Other than that, you just dance it how I just showed you. The other stuff is kind of your choice what you do. You can either hold or you can do something extra if you want. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weights on your left, you're stepping out, right, and left. So step, clap, shuffle back, step, clap, shuffle forward, rock, recover, half shuffle, half pivot, shuffle forward. Now your heel dig, heel, heel, behind side cross, heel, heel, behind quarter forward, touch forward, step back, touch back, step forward, kick out, out, in, hold. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, stepping out, out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Hold 8. And that's the whole dance. So now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be a 12 o'clock facing wall or your front wall. We're going to dance 24 counts of the dance, but our ending, instead of doing our behind quarter forward, we're going to change it to just do a behind side cross or a slight step forward, ending facing 12 o'clock. So you would do your right one normal like we would, our heel, heel, behind side cross. Our left one, we're going to do our heel, heel, and then we're going to go behind side cross and slightly forward. And you can do a yee-haw. You could do like you're throwing your hat up in the air. You can add a little bit extra on that last step to kind of make it match the music if you would like. But that's everything in the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Wait, starting on your left foot, we're stepping out, out. So it's out, clap, shuffle back, out, clap, shuffle forward, rock, recover, half shuffle, half pivot, shuffle forward. Now your heel dig, heel, heel, behind side cross, heel, heel, behind quarter forward, Charleston. Now your kick, kick out, out, in, hold step out, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Hold 8. Out clap, shuffle back. Out clap, shuffle forward. Rock, recover, half shuffle, half pivot, shuffle forward. Now your heel dig. Heel, heel, behind side cross. Heel, heel, behind quarter forward Charleston. Now your kick out, out, in. Hold step out, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Hold 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Dolly Would. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Must be doing